What's going on, you guys? Bryce McKinley, Coach Sharpen. You know what time it is. Hey, in this video, I'm going to talk to you about the onboarding paperwork for your acquisition managers and your team and why it's important. I often get asked, like, what type of paperwork do you need? Why do you need it? And why is it important? So by the end of this video, I'm not only going to teach you what paperwork that it is that we need to record and have on file for our team, but why it's important to you as the manager, as the owner of your organization. Come on with me.
If you don't know Bryce, he's crushing it. He's doing over 50 wholesale deals a month.
What's going on, you guys? Welcome back. Hey, I told you I was going to talk to you a little bit about why this is important for you to have the right paperwork in place. You might be wondering, like, why are we even looking at a video like this? Well, you said you were trying to scale, and that's why you're watching these videos. Well, if that's the case, I want to share with you why it's important as you build and scale your team, what paperwork you need and why it's important. So you're going to need a lot of different paperwork based on how your organization is structured. So for you, before we go any further, I just need you to know I'm not an attorney or a CPA, so you need to go check with them first for what best fits your organization. So in our organization, we use a NDA, or a non-disclosure agreement. We also use a non-compete. We have payroll paperwork and how our acquisition persons are going to get paid, onboarding paperwork, checklist of certain items and placements, so that way we have on file all the necessary information we need to not only make sure that our acquisition team gets paid, but if we ever need to track them down, we know where to find them. No, I'm just kidding. So why is this stuff important? Well, you see, there's several reasons why it's important, right? Tax liability or the lack thereof. Not only that, record keeping. Our sales and acquisition team are not always going to be the most organized. So if you have their paperwork in place, when they call you back in a year and like, hey, I need that tax stuff, you've already got it on file. Not only that, a lot of sales and acquisition people will find that maybe they're just not a good fit for you, but they love the industry and they may want to go somewhere else. If that's the case, don't be offended by it. Just make sure that you have your ducks in a row, that they don't take your proprietary information and go somewhere else and do something else bigger, better, faster with somebody else that's running ahead of you, right? It sounds a little scary. I'm not here to scare you, but I do want you to protect yourself, the organization that you're building, and the family and lives that depend on you. So why is it important? One, obviously, let's protect you and the organization that you're building. Number two, you want to make sure that you have your ducks in a row so that way when your team or team members do get a deal, not only do they get paid, but you have the right paperwork to pay them and pay them in an order that when tax guy comes around, tax season, you're covered, they're covered, and it's a win-win. And last but surely not least, we love keeping personal information on file because if we know it's your birthday, we know it's your anniversary, things like that that you can store easily in your CRM, guess what? It makes for a better culture so that we can come back and support you, your team members, as a family, as a unit, as an organization. So I hope this video helped. Why is it important to have the proper paperwork? Because it not only protects the person that you're hiring, but it protects you and the organization that you're building. Hey guys, Bryce McKinley here, Coach Sharpen. You know what time it is. I want to personally thank you for watching these videos. You see, you might want to subscribe to this channel, and I'm not just saying that to get more followers, but the knowledge that I drop, I guarantee you won't get anywhere else. You see, the information that I give is not just the fluff that every other guru and guru talks about. You might want to stay alert for what's happening next. So, subscribe, hit the notification bell to keep you posted. You're not going to want to miss what I drop on this channel.
Every single